San what you made.
Miss Wujaya, me chap,
Mrs. Femidon.
Me who have me.
Let me finish
Miss Mawan.
But it's your class. Men I make a job. What it is coming out. Our pa. She was a million.
Only better. I didn't come by the our dinner good nay. I didn't go home. I spoke by some Benny, some Jonas and one. And then they want meetings. Massin, when you must see him. When an Elukuno, Akoma, Meko, you think I'm a coballon or Sikeni ballon. They can move a quarter. And they do come on as I could kiss him back on for Babao. Now, Okuta graphic heavy. Now, me humor for Kura. Yes, some journal or Tifia was some penny. I want him a baby. Akoma, what the graphic move? What the from page bag? I said, when I got baby, I see. Akoma, missing on my comfort. Who should be? Hey, who should be? One of them. Hey, what you're comfortable, my papa. Oh, let's see. I'm in a me, and in Nabian way, Crasini power comfortable. One man, I said, woman, come on, hey, you want to catch us some money, baby, when you're sick. Say, well, good president, a queen vice be, hey, and I work here chasing and I said, pass me, feel I better than me. Oh, my papa, be a woman. Na nela umada nela sana umada ebi no onye last one umada ebi ya hwehwe ne abachi no fi ha ya bachi ebi na me ka chontoma no nko yanko na yanko to no ma empene fosi baby say no na baby akoy wadno habo ama ya fie ya yi ya be sikafo sika na si 50,000 Ghana cedis e ba twi sika bebelebe 10% ka hatisia no kwachin de ne kwaji sika ne ba ujina wa de be na wa de kwachi wo bet me papa we en na me dwuma sa ha obokumi enti ana pa tutu akoma na mo police station kwa police for ambulance be 50,000 abegua ya be tina kozisi ya papa mi yakotu na ni mo ni ya no won firifia dabi sika ne ma ujani sika no de be ye ati wonu na bi mu da konfo ne mi ada esewala eya record ma esewan kasa konfo wagidi konfo yire eya bodi okwa media from ha woni mudi ya de be from wagidi wachi awrate wagidi chimifo woni wo se wagidi papa full tantai we me ka se wonyimi hey papa ana china nyana so bechi Babylonians Freco burn you all. Why you go burn them all? You see, I was enjoying my ganja when you were discussing about my maga, and I came here to know about the matter. I say, me patio too much for 20 years, me patio. Why? Hey, I say na kwa mwa tujanye die mu say. Aso ade asembe de bonam de ayemo aso wonya e boni bia e ba me mamuska o me sika that's right so o so me ba ma o se wi ni nyina ka to wi a me di sika we had the foodie pepper de ma hu if it was so we a greedy father we no yin bam ko tan bi kan wo dem mo amete fedi enti na mo yesa aso hey me nyawasi listen to me ba che onya be trans asi tu mo su fa ga ma mi ha meti no no bia na enipa so kona de makodis kadia then I'm warning you yeah say you hu just ko dem sana sika da so no ana ko wi sika na besifi e yawo se wati odwa wa chipatakuwa odwa makata no you either shut up or blow your fucking head. I saw, get in here. Sister, if I hear anything about the police, I'll fuck all of you up. I see you, Ati. Why, do you understand? I understand you, I see. And famous. Hey, yes, sister. Hey, auntie. Hey, more fancy. What's was him influence a bit. And they cry and get over this can. As you do, I can't see a just with us. Why, what the time that was some may catch you, no could jump baby. Oh, me, you know, people come once and be all the one now. You should be a matter. You, if I pass what blue of a candle, you understand? Understand you. We a greedy bar. You too greedy bar. What did you say? I don't know what's in room. I'm saying, wait, Jimmy, and the way. Next time I come here, I see near Uyeno. I see near Uyeno. I say, who move very busy. I say, what's already a group.